This OXO Good Grips 12 inches frying pan is a great helper in any kitchen. It has a non-stick coating. This means your food will slide right off. Cleaning is easy too, and it saves you time. The pan is black and looks sleek. The OXO Good Grips 12 inches frying pan has a special German-engineered 3-layered non-stick. This coating is tough, and it helps cook food evenly. You can use less oil when cooking, and that's a plus. The 12-inch size is just right for cooking many things. Fry a fillet of fish or scramble some eggs. This pan can handle it all. The handle of the OXO Good Grips 12 inches frying pan is made of stainless steel. It also has a non-slip silicone grip. This makes it comfortable and safe to hold. You won't have to worry about it slipping. This frying pan is a fantastic addition to your kitchen. It could also be one of the best gifts for someone who loves to cook. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick coating, easy to clean, good for frying, large size, German-engineered, durable. Stainless steel handle, non-slip silicone grip, comfortable handle, stylish black color, good heat distribution, oven-safe. Cons: handle can feel heavy, base might be light, not induction ready, quality may have dropped. Can't use metal tools, hand wash only, not very durable, can be pricey. Features: 12-inch size, non-stick coating, 3-layered, German-engineered, stainless steel handle, non-slip silicone grip, black color, Good Grips series, frying pan skillet, OXO brand. This OXO Good Grips 12-inch frying pan is a black skillet with a non-stick surface that has 3 layers and was made with German engineering for good quality. It has a stainless steel handle that is easy to hold because it's covered with a non-slip silicone material. This pan is part of the OXO brand's Good Grips series, which is known for making kitchen tools that are comfortable to use. This OXO Good Grips 12 inches frying pan has a non-stick coating that makes it easy to clean and good for frying. It's a large pan with a German-engineered design and a durable stainless steel handle that has a comfortable, non-slip silicone grip. The black pan heats evenly and is oven-safe, but the handle might feel a bit heavy, and the base could be light. Keep in mind it doesn't work on induction cooktops. You can't use metal tools on it, and it needs to be washed by hand. Some people think the quality might not be as good as it used to be, and it can be a bit expensive. Also, it might not last for a very long time.